walking down this lonely road.
Good morning! Today is a brand new day to learn. Good morning, everyone! Let's have fun while learning.
Good morning, teacher. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. 1, 2, 3. Learning numbers is fun.
Every step I feel the weight of dreams and hopes.
Friends always help each
that
other.
can't wait. But I hold on to the light I see. The girl of hope comforts me.
Books are our
Though the
best
road
friends.
is long, winding too, I know I'll find my way back to you.
Wow! Science is amazing! Let's paint our imagination.
Play, learn, and stay healthy. Kindness makes everyone smile.
I'll keep fighting through the darkness. I'll keep shining on this lonely road.
Study today, shine tomorrow.
Strength to leave the past behind.
Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
The memories play like a fading song. In the
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
each step forward.